Hi, my name is Steven Monson. I've been asked to show you how to set up and edit your own landing pages. So to do that, first of all, you'll just go to your website, whatever it is, and then at the end of .com, you'll type in /login. This will take you to a login screen. From here, and by the way, if you do not have a login, just contact us. We can set you up with a username and a password. But once you have that, you can go to this login screen and log in. From here, you're going to go to the left-hand side right here, and we're going to choose Pages. Here you'll be able to see your various pages like your home and about us, etc. But most importantly, right now, we want to look at these landing pages. You'll see that we have carpet cleaning by default. We have a fall landing page, a holiday special. I'll let you see a few of these really quickly first. Here's our standard carpet cleaning landing page. Here is a holiday special, which should be good for around this time of year. You can also do things like, maybe running some kind of a standard special. We also have some for spring, nice little flowers, and also summer. So there's various kind of different themes you can choose from, and you can go ahead and edit those as you need. But for now, I'm going to go ahead back into the just the standard carpet cleaning landing page, and we're going to edit it a little bit. So there's various options that we've built in right into the landing page. You can choose a theme, so whether you want standard blue, spring, summer, fall, winter, holiday, or a celebration countdown. And you can edit that main title, the big text at the top. You can also edit either like custom HTML. There's some standard HTML, which we don't really expect you to edit this yourself, but if you want to see it, I'll show it to you really quick. Hit View Page. This shows some nice little icons we've made along with some kind of main points about what sets heavens best apart, like high satisfaction, drying 1 hour, family safe. And then of course you have your nice little form here. This would be an example of a landing page that doesn't really show a specific offer, which is okay, but not really what we recommend, honestly. What we usually recommend is when you make a landing page, try to present an offer that is useful or rather valuable to your customer. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to hit Edit Page, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit here, and I'm going to change this from custom HTML code back to text. And you'll see we have kind of a default offer to kind of get you started, but you can change this to pretty much whatever you want it to be. So we could change the price here or make a completely different offer entirely. You can change the details. Maybe you want to add some stipulations to your special. But once you've done that, you can make changes. I'm just going to change this from 4 to 3, just for a quick example to show you. I hit Update. By the way, Update is your save button. That's what you want to click on anytime you want to make a change to a page. I'll go back up to View Page, and you'll see now it says 3 rooms for $99. See right here, this is your phone number. I'm going to hit Edit Page again. You'll see in here that this is where you'll put your tracking number. Now, whenever you make a landing page, it's really important actually that you want to track how many phone calls you got from that landing page. And the way you do that is by using a special tracking number here. If you leave this blank, it'll actually mean it's going to use your global website's phone number, basically the default for all the rest of your website, where you said, hey, this is my phone number. It's going to just stick that in there if you leave this blank. But I don't recommend doing that. I do recommend using some kind of tracking number. If you need to get one, just contact us. We can set one up for you. That'll make your whole statistics and everything a lot more efficient and effective and accurate. But yeah, I can change that to whatever I want. I'm just going to leave it what it was for now. Maybe I'll change to zeros just so you can see a change really quick. I'll hit Update and hit View Page. And I scroll down to the bottom and you'll see that. And if someone was on a smartphone, they could actually just tap on this directly and it would call you right from their smartphone. And alternatively, they can fill out this form. Okay, a couple of side notes. If you go and try to edit one of your landing pages and it looks like this, it means that your WordPress has been updated to WordPress 5.0. It's a recent update that just rolled out, and it makes some pretty significant changes to the user interface. But if you see this, you're going to probably have a little bit of trouble. So what I recommend is you can either contact us and have us do it, or you can go into plugins, add new, and you can actually install the classic editor. You just would install it and then hit activate, and that will fix the problem. Now, if I go back to pages and landing pages, or my landing page, you'll see that it behaves the way you would expect it to.